IC-CFS Improving Connectivity in the Central Forest Pine Landscape. IC-CFS is an innovative project funded by the Global Environment Facility under a joint collaboration between the governments of Malaysia and United Nations Development Programme Malaysia. The project comes under the purview of the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment and brings together the Forestry Department Peninsular Malaysia, the Forest Research Institute of Malaysia, and the Department of Wildlife and National Parks, as well as the state governments in the three key priority forest landscapes of Perak, Pahang and Johor. The IC-CFS project will span over 6 years from 2014 till 2019. The project goal is that sustainable forest landscape management in the Central Forest Pine Landscape secures critical wildlife habitats, conserves biodiversity and carbon stocks, and maintains the continuous flow of ecosystem services. The three IC-CFS key priority areas are Balong Temengor in Perak, Taman Negara in Pahang, and Endarompin in Johor. This multi-stakeholder collaboration across all levels of government, private sector, research institutions, NGOs, and local community is a unique and crucial approach to ensure Malaysia's precious natural landscapes remain protected for future generations.